Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying dog gadgets, a bunch of new ones so you don't have to. Also, I am wearing my new merch. It's limited, so you can go check it out on rosannapansino.com. I'll put a link down below. It's orange and it's white and it's called Pumpkin Spice. All right, now without further ado, Blueberry and Coconut are going to help me test these gadgets out. Blueberry, I also ordered you some dog fashion. Are you ready? That's a yes. First up, dog hats. And I got them in every color because it's super sunny in California and they don't have sunglasses. So if this can keep a little sun out of their eyes, why not? Okay, Blueberry, you're up first. Which one do you want to try on? There's a blue one. Maybe that's cute. You like that one? Oh, Coco, you like the rainbow one? Okay. Now these little dog hats are supposed to be awesome because they have slits for the dog ears. And then this little adjustable thing underneath to make it tight on their head so it doesn't just fall off. I found these online, I think on Amazon. The brand is Tail Up, and this is a size medium, which it looks very small for a medium. Let's put it on your head. Oh, wow, you need a large. This doesn't block any sun. This isn't even a hat. These are terrible. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even. Here, wait, let me get your little ear in, Blue. So here's the look. It looks more like a sleeping bonnet, not really like a sun hat. Really glad I bought these in every color. I'm gonna have to give them out to my friends who have really teeny dogs. Could you imagine how cute it would be? A little bulldog with like a big sun hat. In my head, it's adorable, but it just didn't turn out, huh, Blue? Next thing I got are Crocs for your dogs. Now they don't actually make dog Crocs, although I think they should. That would be so cute. But I guess that these are large sized doll Crocs and then people put them on their dogs. Blueberry's got bigger feet than Coconut, or I should say bigger paws than Coconut. Let's see who these fit more. Coco, do these fit you? Coco's very interested. Okay, let's see if these fit you. These are so cute and they do not fit at all. These are the biggest that they come. Let's see you, Blue, just for measure. Let's just see. Oh, I'm so sorry, Blue, you're not Cinderella. Okay, well on TikTok, they all had smaller dogs and these actually fit on their little feet. But if you have a French Bulldog, it's not gonna happen. They've got thick paws and there's nothing wrong with that. Huh, Blueberry. Let's move on to the next thing I found. Now the next fashion is not actually for your dog, but it has your dog on it and it's for people. And I kept getting pop-ups all over Instagram. It's called Oh My Brand, where you send them a picture of your dog and they will print it and put it all over a sweat set for you to wear. And I was like, oh. So I did it. Okay, moment of truth. This is so cute. I love this. And the size that I ordered, this is an X small and it looks perfect. And I feel like they captured her face completely. Let's compare. Blueberry, do you think this looks like you? What do you think? Will it confuse you if I wear this or you think it's fine? She's cool with it. I also ordered the matching like joggers, little sweats. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna change into these. All right, here it is. It's super cute. It is a little stiff, but I think it'll get softer as I wash it. I really like the fit of it, and it says it's 100% cotton. It's just so cute. Mike, what do you think?
It's really cute. It's a little see-through.
It is. The material feels like a thick t-shirt, not like a cozy sweat. I'm gonna say this one was a win. It's adorable. I would wear this every day, and I even went a little hashtag wodiculous, and I got something for my friend Justine. It has little Maddie all over it.
He's so cute.
Oh my gosh, I'm already envisioning it. Justine and I having a girls' night, a slumber party, wearing our matching dog jammies. The first dog gadget that we're gonna try is the Poker Box Vario 2 by Trixie. This is a treat motivated dog activity and this one is level 2. Apparently they have different levels. I thought I would start with a low one for these pups. Coconut has never done one of these like puzzle games before, so I'm really interested to see how she does. And Blueberry's already taken a nap, but maybe they'll work for treats. Let's give this a go. What is it, Coco? Oh, she loves it already. It comes with screws, actual hardware and stuff. A challenge for dogs and for people. It's almost built. This thing was a little difficult to put together with the screws at the bottom because they don't screw directly on the bottom. You gotta slide them in there, but it's all ready. Now, step right up, step right up. Who would like to play this game? See this, ladies? I'm putting it in here, okay? It's in here, so you gotta get it out. Oh, they're just licking it. Oh, okay. Yep. Well, they broke it. So this thing falls off the tracks really easy. They've knocked it off there. Okay, look ladies, you have to spin it and then treats fall out. See? Oh no, ladies. Both the dogs are not understanding this hamster wheel device over here. So let's try the seesaw. Now I'm gonna put them in here and see, to get them you have to do this. Okay, let's see what you got, Blueberry. That's not the game. Not the game. She's just trying to shove her face in the pocket. You gotta step on it. Oh my gosh. Don't use your tongue, use your paw. Coco, ready? Take your paw. Good girl. And step, and look, step on it and the treats come out. Oh my gosh. Take your paw and step on it. Blueberry's tongue is so long that it just fits in there. So she's found the easy mode. I'd say the cheat code way to do this. I can't say the same for Coconut. Coco, there's tons of treats in here. We just had a breakthrough. Yeah, Blueberry, that was pretty Pansino of you. I'm loving it. You're making the Pansino name pretty proud, Blueberry. Mike, I'm just too excited. She actually learned how to do it. Good girl, Blueberry. Here, do it again. No, we just had it. We have a motto over here in the Pansino house, and it's called C's Get Degrees, so. For me, this would be a pass because my dogs would eat the treats out of it in 2 seconds and not learn anything. The next dog gadget that I have is called the Babble Ball, and this is a ball that talks to your dog. It's supposed to be interactive and entertain them, and I thought Blueberry would really love this because Blueberry loves balls. Huh? Do you love a ball? Is this your ball? This may be your new favorite ball. It says it talks, growls, and interacts with your pet with over 20 funny wisecracks and sounds. Hot diggity dog, oh no, I'm gonna get you. It says the batteries are already inside, so I really like that. Coconut usually doesn't care for balls. She doesn't like them. She's not interested in them, but she's really liking this one because it's making little noises. The only thing I wish it was a little bit more softer, like rubber, like a tennis ball, so they can pick it up in their mouths easier, but they love it. This one is a win. The only thing I don't like about this ball is that there's no off button. I think it's motion sensor, so I wish I could just turn it off, but I don't think I can, so I'm just gonna set this off to the side where it will not move. Our next dog gadget is one I'm really excited about. I've always wanted to try this. This is called the iFetch. Blue loves playing ball. It's her favorite thing to do. It's her favorite game. Sometimes she even brings her tennis ball to bed at night. She sleeps with it and cuddles it. It's like one of her best friends. So Blue, this is for you. iFetch, the automatic ball launcher for dogs. Step 1, open the box. Oh my gosh, look at the tennis ball size. Mike, look at this.
What?
Oh, no, Blue, hold on. Well, Blue doesn't care. She's excited about it anyways. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna take this outside because this is too much. I'm outside. We've got the iFetch all set up. We've got it plugged in. It does have batteries too, but we're just plugging it in with an extension cord. And it says, press the button to cycle through the settings. There's 10 feet, 20 feet, or 30 feet. I'm not really sure how long this space is. To play it safe, let's start with 10. I've got the balls in my pocket. The dogs are really ready. All right, now Blue, here's the ball. Now let me show you what we're gonna do. I want you to really look at this and watch. Blue, you put it in here and then watch. Watch what it does. Watch, ready? Oh, go get it! Oh, good job, Coconut! Oh, good girls. You put in here, and then ready, Blue? Oh. Ready, Blue? Oh, here it goes. Good girls. Good girl, Coco. All right, now you gotta drop it in here. Come here, Blue. Bring your ball. Bring your ball. Bring your ball. Good girl. Blue does drop it, but she doesn't know how to put it in the bucket yet. Only took a year and a half to learn drop it. I'm gonna take your balls and you put them in here. Ready? Ready? Watch it, see? Whoop, there it goes. Good job, Coco. Good job, Coco. They love chasing it, but you definitely have to train them how to drop it in here. That's not something that they're really comprehending. Like, look how happy they are. They're so happy. They want to chase these balls again. They just do not understand how to put it in here. Ready? Go get it. Good girl, bring your ball. Let's crank this thing up. Oh, let's go to 30 feet. Boom, boom, boom. Watch out. Ready, set, go. Wow, the power on that. That's wonderful. Mike's gonna help. Yeah, oh my gosh, she was so close.
You know, speed in the air.
Ready, set, go. It's a ball.
Drop it in the air.
Ready,
Watch out, Blue. Watch out,
set,
Coco.
Coco. Move. Oh my.
Good girl.
Good girl. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the play right here because somebody likes to stand in front of the launcher. Ready, set, go! Put it on 30 feet. It's a perfect setting for a long backyard this way. The dogs love it. And even Coconut, who never picks up tennis balls, I think they're just a little too big for her mouth. She really likes the smaller ones and she actually picks them up and brings them back to us, which she's never done before. So that's pretty exciting. I just don't think they quite understand how to drop it in here, but I think with a little bit of training, they'd be able to learn. Coco, did you have fun? And look at Blue. Look at her little ball. So far, this one is my favorite. Is definitely a win. I just have to train the dogs to drop inside of the launcher and then we're gonna be good. So the next dog product that we're gonna try is the Smart Bell by Mighty Paw. And I've seen a bunch of videos. Blueberry is cooling off from all the play we did outside. Hi, baby. So I watched a bunch of videos on TikTok of people using this. Now this is to potty train your dog. It's a potty training doorbell that you put by the door. And the idea is every time they go outside, they hit it with their paw and you'll let them out. Now both of my dogs are completely potty trained already. If they have to go to the bathroom, they will make a noise or they'll sit by the door. So we don't have any problems with this, but I've also seen people on TikTok use this. They'll hit it to get a treat. So I thought we would give it a go. Self-powered wireless doorbell. One activator, one receiver, mounting tape. Oh my gosh, we can even mount it. But again, it's a dog product that you have to train them to use, and some dogs are easier to train than others. Okay, let's open this up. So you got two of these and you gotta plug this one in and then they talk to each other. I'll plug this in here. So now, for you guys, if you hit it, you get a treat. There's a treat. Blueberry's sitting on it. Okay, there's a treat. You did a doorbell. Okay, Blueberry, you can't sit on it. Okay, good job, Blueberry. Okay, everybody sit. I need you to hit this with your paw. Coconut, tap it with your paw. Okay, Blueberry, ready? Okay, get a treat. Coconut, ready? Tap it with your paw. Then you get a treat. Okay, ready? Tap it with your paw. Get a treat. Coconut, put it on there. Okay, treat for you. The connection has not been made. Come on, here. This basically sums up owning a Frenchie. I hope you guys found this video instructional. We did eventually get them to learn sit and high five and fetch and drop it, but it took a very long time, you guys. And when I mean a long time, I mean like a year. Now this one was recommended to me, but I do think that there's more simple products out there. I was really hoping that the sound would come out of this button and not this button, because the whole ding and get a treat, it's a lot of philosophy, you know? Ring a bell, you give a treat. Every time they'd ring a bell, they'd give treats. You don't get a treat, but you're salivating because when you hear the bell, you get your body is trained that, whoa. That got deep, very philosophical, but that is, in a sense, what this is supposed to be. But I really really wish the noise would come out of here. I think what's a little confusing is that the noise comes out of here. But overall, I think it's a smart idea, and I'm a big fan of anything that makes dog training easier. Whatever works for you works. I would say about this one, I think there's something more simple out there where the noise comes out of the button. So I've moved to the kitchen because the last dog product that we're gonna try is the Express Dog Treat Maker by Dash, and this just looks so cute. I have a lot of these. I've made like pancakes in them, but this one, check this out, you guys. They're little dog bones. And while that's warming up, we're gonna wait for this light to turn on. I have made one of their recipes. Another thing that I already love about this product, it comes with all of these dog-friendly recipes. Now this recipe that we've made right here is the banana flax treats, and it's got half a cup of quick cooking oats, whole wheat, flaxseed meal, ground cinnamon, a banana, and some coconut oil. Look at all these other recipes they have, you guys. This is so cute. Peanut butter and pumpkin, cheddar bacon, chicken and wild rice, pumpkin, carrot, and spinach treats. This is like a mini cookbook. Okay, preheat the Express Dog Treat Maker. Check. Lightly coat the cooking surface with cooking spray. Check. Then add your dough and close the lid. Now it doesn't tell you how full to make it or if it rises. I'm assuming no, so I'm just gonna fill it up to the top and bake for 5 minutes. And then using tongs, turn the treat over and bake for 5 more minutes. Oh, I have to turn the treat over? That's a first. I've never heard of that, and I'm not a big fan of that. I like when you're making like a waffle, you throw the batter in and you let it bake. This is all ready to go, and this is hot. Let's fill these up and cook them. Let's make some cute little dog treats. Okay, this is really hard to get this stuff in here. By the time I get these all in here, it's gonna be 5 minutes. Boom. 5 minutes and counting till we flip them. Okay, it's almost 5 minutes and it's starting to smell pretty good. Oh, this is hot, very hot. Okay, I should know better. Oh no, they're like kind of burnt around the edges. Okay, now it says halfway through on every recipe, you've got to pick it up and flip it. Oh no, how do you, oh geez. No, oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let's try to save these, come on. Oh, okay. I've already corrected their recipe. Use a fork. This is the technique, everybody. This is it. Ooh, hot. It says push them back in there and cook for another 5 minutes, but it's really, I'm not throwing shade, but I'm just gonna say I've made many dog treat recipes that only bake for 10 minutes in your oven, and it's really easy and really clean, and this is not what's happening here. At least it smells good. 5 more minutes. Ding ding, timer's ready. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna scoop them onto the plate, cut them up into little pieces. Yep, it's the unsweetened banana oat cookie. Wow, this is pretty good. Hold on, dogs. Mom just has to make sure that their temperature's safe. Sit. Blueberry, come here. Sit. What do you guys think? You like him? Well, the dogs had no complaints about the recipe. Great recipe, but I think it might actually be easier to bake because this was a messy disaster. And it limits how many you can make at a time. When I make dog treats, I don't do it daily. I don't do it very often. I only do it for special occasions. And when I do it, I like to make a lot of them because then I can refrigerate them or freeze them. So I'm a big fan of saving my time and energy, and this is not it. But this recipe is close to it. Just need some tweaks. All right, those are all the things that I got today. I hope you enjoyed watching me try dog products. Let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite. I think my favorite dog product was the iFetch, and my favorite, I guess it's not for your dog, but it's of your dog, was this cute little sweatsuit. I love that I can wear Blueberry's face all over me. I definitely need to get another one, but with coconut on it, and then I can rotate them. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. Also, this is so cute, it makes me want to make merch with Blueberry's face on it. I can't get over it, it's adorable.